Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Valencia local and long-distance movers near me. People who have relocated before can attest to how stressful relocating to a new place may be, especially those doing it themselves. To migrate, you need to know how much time, money, and effort it will require. We'll indeed all have to relocate at some time in our lives. Getting it right takes a lot of time and work. To make things easier on yourself, hire a moving company to assist you. Choosing 3 Movers is a wise decision. In the end, we want you to be happy, so we'll do all we can to make that happen. That's why we're here. Relocation authorities have a good working relationship with our company. This connection serves to ensure the migration while also instilling a sense of trust and reliance in us. We like seeing our customers happy, and we'll do all in our power to make that happen. When compared to many other moving companies, we are pretty inexpensive and constantly accessible. You can depend on us to deliver consistently. The first step to a successful relocation is to enlist our help with your move. Because of our extensive knowledge in the subject of relocation, we can give your demands the closest attention. We offer a wide range of options that set us apart. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Valencia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.